What is going on, guys? This is Taylor with Lesueur Car Co. We are back with another car review. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2015 Audi A3 TDI. This is the diesel edition of the A3. Under the hood we have a 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine. Coming up to the front we have a huge front grille, these cool shaped Audi headlights. Audi does a super good job of making their headlights look good. Got these big 18-inch 10-spoke alloy rims. Keyless entry on all 4 doors. Coming over to the back, we got that big Audi symbol as well as a dual exhaust. Let's take a look at the interior here. All right, let's take a quick look at the interior. We got a lot of stuff going on inside. We got heated rear view mirrors over here, our trunk switch, light controls. We got this little sticker to remind us that this is a diesel and we should not put regular gas in it. We got voice control, cruise control, volume rocker. All the controls are on the steering wheel. Coming over to the center console, we got the LCD screen with Bluetooth capability, dual zone climate control. This is a non-smoker vehicle, so it smells and feels great in here. Coming down to the controls down here, we got the controls for the screen up here. It's a push to start with an electric e-brake. Volume knob is right here. Not a lot of cars have like a back button on them, but the back button is super helpful here. So you can just go all the way into something, push back. You don't have to worry about moving any knob around. You can just push that back button. Super nice. We have a moonroof above us. The controls are just up here. Black leather interior looks awesome. Got AC in the back as well. Front 2 seats are heated. The interior of this car is awesome, very spacey. Super nice, guys. All right, guys, to wrap it up, this car is in great condition. The paint looks awesome, no scratches or dents. Same on the interior, no stains or anything. The inside looks awesome. As for the Carfax report, it is perfect. No damages or accidents reported. Just under 19,000 miles. Like I said, this is a diesel, so it gets awesome gas mileage. 31 in town, 43 on the highway. As I said before as well, it has a 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine, so you get that kick with that turbocharged engine. Come see this car, guys, at Lesueur Car Company. We'll see you guys later.